Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily fix YouTube app Vanced on your Android phone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone, and after that you'll have to scroll down a bit and then tap on apps section, and then you'll have to tap on see all apps, and right here you'll be able to find all the apps that have been installed on your Android, and it will take some time to load. And now you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find YouTube app. Now once you've found it, you'll have to tap on YouTube, and you'll have to tap on storage and cache, and after that you'll have to tap on clear cache and then tap on clear storage and then delete. Now you'll have to go back all the way back and then open Google Play Store. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on search bar on the bottom right corner and then tap on search bar on the top right and then search for YouTube and then tap on YouTube. And if it says update, you can simply tap on update and your problem will be solved. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.